Hey everybody, Coach Nitra here. Today I want to talk about my number one reason why people may struggle or stop in their healthy lifestyle journey or weight loss journey. And it may not be what you think, but it is about the constant push for perfection. And what do I mean by that? It's got to be the right or perfect time. I'm going on vacation, so I can't start yet. You know what? Oh my God, I made a mistake today. You know what? That just totally didn't go right. I'm just, screw it. You know what? I'm doing it right. I'm failing. But the fact is, you winning. But your lens, you're looking at it through something that's unrealistic. And the fact is, in anything that we do in this life, there are moments that things do not work as planned. But do you throw it out the window and say, I'm done with it? No. You look at it and say, what did I learn from that situation? What really worked well? And what do I need to do differently? So the next time you're thinking about the journey that you're on and something doesn't work as planned, I want you to look at it through a different lens. And I want you to appreciate the things that you're doing very well and really assess and say, this is what I need to do differently, and stop trying to make it be so perfect. Because the fact is, consistency is what's going to get you there, not striving for perfection. Like, share this video.